I want to show you all the 4 different styles of Baroque draping that I have observed. So here's one of the styles I just created. I call this technique fanning. This is when you fan the fabric. Notice how you have the ripples more defined up here, and then it starts to fade down here. Again, you're just seeing that throughout the design. Yes, you have the signature movement of Baroque draping. It has an appearance like it's flying in the wind. It's a very loose design. As you can see, again, this was achieved using 12 panels plus a pipe and drape kit. So this is technique number 1 that I'm showing you. If you want to learn even more about Baroque draping, join my class December 7th, Eastern Standard Time, 2005, because I don't know when you all are going to see this video. I will teach you one of these techniques. Comment class below and I will send you a link or let you know how to join the class.